Well, hello, friends. This is John Welsh with Riverside County Animal Services. On January 26, 2022, the Department of Animal Services impounded 37 dogs from a property in Cathedral City. The man who lived at the property reached out to Animal Services, actually walked into the Coachella Valley Animal Campus in Thousand Palms and sought our help. The man was going to probably be evicted from the property if he didn't reduce the number of dogs at the property. We reached out to one of our rescue organizations, an organization based out of Nevada. That organization agreed to take on 31 of the total dogs. 4 of the dogs will be spayed and neutered and returned to the man as his personal pets, and 2 dogs are getting cared for medical needs at the Coachella Valley Animal Campus.